boy, I'm in this till the death of me. I'm in this till the end, motherfucker. I let you ride with me, yeah, I let you ride with me. Let you get high with me, yeah, let you get high with me. When I'm up in my city, boy, I run the town. Best believe I hold it down, best believe I hold it down. I let you ride with me, yeah.
We're going to Burger King, guys. We're at Cam. Here we are, guys. Off. I can't hear.
Hi, welcome to Burger King.
Hello?
Take a pic.
Hello?
Hi, how may I help you?
Yeah, what do we want? I need a Whopper meal with a cherry Coke.
Small, medium, or large?
Medium.
You want cheese on it?
Yes, please.
Okay.
Can I get 3 rodeo burgers and a 10-piece nuggets with barbecue sauce? Are you serious?
Anything else?
Do we need anything else? Are we good? Are we good?
Yeah, we're good.
Anything else?
Yeah, that's it. Thank you.
12:49. Please drive around.
No problem. Yo, what's up, man?
There, bro?
I got 15. There's 2 5s.
Oh, bro.
One more. That's how we do. Shit, this will be fun.
He's outside now. That means he's outside watching.
Who?
We're not going. He's dead. We're not going that way. We're going turning around and going back down. We're going to Hayta. Put that on the side.
I don't think that'll hold it.
We just don't. Yo.
I'm still. Hold up 1 second. Sorry to hold you up. Thank you. I think so. Is that everything?
Yo.
Thank you.
We were in Park Trip. That's what the son does. Man, he's gonna go right to
Have a good day. Fuck yeah. Fuck yeah, guys, we got our Burger King. I'm hype as shit. I got my drink. It's fucking, what I did, I rubber banded to a water bottle inside my bag. Hope it don't fall off. No way. Horses! What's up? Get it? Hey, what's up? Oh, I'm just the funniest guy. I really am. bike life. Oh my god, guys, I'm wearing sunglasses under my goggles, and the lens just broke off, so I only got my right eye. Fuck. Fuck. One eye.
What's up? Ain't no sunshine when she's gone, so I'm rapping on the microphone. Without music, boy, I'm all alone, working hard late nights at home. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone, so I'm rapping on the microphone. Without music, boy, I'm all alone, working hard late nights at home. Yeah, music while I'm still alive, passion's what I feel inside. Pen to the pad, boy, I write just to kill the time. I always speak my mind, ain't afraid to say shit. I grab my dreams, then I chase it. Don't need lace it, but money's in my vision. Hip-hop's the only fucking reason that I'm living. They used to call me different, I get my hair risen. Headed to success, boy, I'm on a damn mission. Haters always listen to every damn simile. Now I got a buzz and these people treat me differently. Going down in history, the underdog who fought back. I'm going long in this game like a Mars cat stress. Now we off that. Once we pass the reef around, I'm the main topic of discussion in the teacher's lounge. We the ones you read about. Holler when you